The fifth secret we have is you really need to practice self-care. Is the key to success when it comes to this. If you are not mentally happy and healthy, there's no way that you can help your wife, your significant others, your family, your friends. There's no way you can do your job, right? So you need to practice good self-care when it comes to keeping you happy and healthy. Mental health, physical health, social health, right? The three hells that we got to deal with. And I know it's hard. I know you don't feel like you want to even get out of bed sometimes. I was crying underneath my desk when I found out that my son was addicted to heroin. I didn't want to come out. I didn't want to do anything. But what we've found, what I've personally found is the thing that gives me the best strength is when my brain's working, when my body's working, and when I'm socially connected. So I'm going to recommend a couple things, and you're going to hear about this more in a separate video, but number one is seek mental health. Seek treatment, right? I'm treated every week. I do this joke when I speak out in the rest of the world, and I ask people to stand up and I say, shake your moneymaker. And what does everybody do? They wiggle their butt, right? And I shake my head, and I let people know. I say, you know what? I don't work a lot with my hands anymore. I don't work a lot with my back anymore. I work a lot with my mind these days. And when my brain isn't working, I'm not working. Every week I go in and see a counselor. Why? I want to clear out my brain. You're going to hear me talk about family therapy. You're going to hear me talk about personal therapy. You're going to hear me talk about sibling therapy in a later episode of this series. But the first thing is you need to go out there and really work on your mental therapy. The second thing is exercise, exercise, exercise. Physical health will rebound you faster than anything else. Even if it's walking around the block for 20 minutes, that's excellent. I run every day. I get out there, I put the ear pods in, I listen to my books, I run my little tush off. And I get out there and do it every day. I sweat out all the negative things in my life. That's what I do. You may want to go to the gym. You may want to walk. You may want to lift weights. You may want to do something, but it has to be physical. And the last thing is social health. You need to reconnect. It is okay to talk about this issue. I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you about these issues that I found. I talk about addiction issues everywhere I go because it's a socially acceptable thing to do. Now, I know you don't want to do it. I know in your heart you think that you need to keep this a secret, but you need to connect. And the more you connect with people, the more you're going to find that other people are probably just like you. Other people are just like you. So that fifth issue is you need to work on those aspects that get you physically healthy, mentally healthy, and socially connected.